Hey y'all, it's Meg and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to the New Hampshire Renaissance Festival and I'm all dressed up. I've got like a cloak, I've got some flowers in my hair, pre-sunburned, it's just blush. And I'm going with my friends Bridget Rihanna, which you might remember from our Halloween Haunted Overload adventure. So I'm so excited, let's go. It is always hard to get the outfit horizontal, but here's my outfit. This is a skirt I made a long time ago, top from Old Navy. This cloak is made from a shower curtain that I found at a thrift store like 3 days ago. And this is my purse. It's a little basket that I glued flowers on top of, and then my stuff is in here. So that's my outfit for Renaissance Festival. Gotta get both horizontal and vertical points.